Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe down below. Let's get started. I already moisturized my face, so I'm going to dab a powder on my eyebrows to block the oil. Next is taking a spoolie and brush upwards to see if there are excess eyebrows to be trimmed. Using a sharpened Davis No. 3 eye pencil to draw the eyebrows. La Colors foundation to clean under my eyebrows, and I always do it gently. On the upper side is Black Opal foundation in ebony brown. Brush it again to remove excess eye pencil. My eyeshadow is from Romantic Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm using light brown color as my base. Then just in the same palette I'll go with the green. Then cut crease, just clearing a small part. Gold eyeshadow in the middle, and that is it. W7 black liquid eyeliner. No lashes today, I'm just using Iman of Noble gel mascara. La Girl face primer. Just blending the Black Opal foundation all over my face. And I'll be using La Colors foundation to highlight under my eyes, bridge of my nose, forehead and chin. And I'm going to blend one at a time to avoid it drying. contour powder is from Lagal, the darkest shade. What I've realized with this La Colors foundation or LA Colors foundation is that it dries quickly and can't be blended with a damn beauty blender. It comes off when you use a damn beauty blender. I realized it when blending my forehead. So LA Colors foundation use a dry beauty blender to blend. Setting spray is from Clean Color. My glow kit is from LA Colors illuminating powder. I outlined my lips using a black eye pencil and then used Huda Beauty lipstick. Black eye pencil on my waterline. And that is my final look.